How can I transfer money from my vanilla card to my bank account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about how to transfer money from your vanilla card to your bank account. This is a very common question, and it's easier than you think. You can use vanilla card's direct transfer service if available, or utilize third-party services like PayPal. Let's get started.
What is a vanilla card?
A vanilla card is a type of prepaid gift card that can be used anywhere Visa, MasterCard, or Discover cards are accepted, depending on which version you have. It's a convenient and secure way to manage your money without a bank account or credit checks.
Can I transfer money directly to my bank account?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you cannot directly transfer money from a vanilla card to a bank account. Vanilla cards are designed to be used for purchases rather than transfers. If direct transfers have been enabled after this cutoff, follow vanilla card's official instructions.
Using PayPal as a workaround.
Here's a workaround using PayPal to transfer money from your vanilla card to your bank account. 1. Create a PayPal account if you don't already have one. 2. Link your vanilla card to your PayPal account. To do this, go to the Wallet section of your PayPal account, click on Link a card or bank, and input your vanilla card's information. 3. Transfer the desired amount to your PayPal balance. Go to Wallet, click on Transfer Money, and then choose Add Money Online. Follow the prompts to transfer money from your linked vanilla card to your PayPal balance. 4. Transfer the money from your PayPal balance to your bank account. This process is similar to the previous step, but instead of choosing Add Money Online, you'll select Transfer to your bank. Remember, PayPal might charge a fee for these transactions. That's it for this tutorial. Although it might not be possible to directly transfer money from your vanilla card to your bank account, you can use a workaround with services like PayPal. As always, make sure to double-check the terms and conditions of your vanilla card and PayPal before proceeding. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.